Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. Today we'll be talking about 10 engineering colleges in Telangana. Okay, so before knowing about the top 10 colleges in Telangana, let's just cover the content of the Telangana itself. Telangana is one of the 29 states in India which is located in your southern India. This state was basically formed in June 2014 as the newest one. It's a kind of part of Andhra Pradesh itself, and it is the 12th largest state in India and the 12th most populated state in India as well. So major cities of Telangana like Hyderabad, Wrangler, Nizamabad, Kamman, Karimnagar and Ramagundam. So moving to the top 10 engineering colleges in Telangana, here's the list of the top 10 engineerings which I'm going to cover in this video about the engineering colleges in Telangana itself. So at the very first you can see it's IIT Hyderabad, that is it is situated in Khandi of Hyderabad, and best known for reputed faculty and the outstanding caliber. I need not have too much say about the IIT, as IIT is the big name in itself, and as you can see, it stands at the top of all the colleges in Telangana. So you must, in order to get an admission, you must have a suitable rank in JEE Advanced. Like you should give your JEE Mains as well as qualify that JEE Mains and score a good in your JEE Advanced as well. So that is the basically entire qualification needed to apply for IIT Hyderabad, and as you can see, the fees for the Hyderabad is 2,46,900. So that is about Indian Institute of Technology, which is situated in Hyderabad of the Telangana. See, Hyderabad and Telangana, as you can see, as I said, it's quite similar itself. So moving back at number 2, I have National Institute of Technology, which is situated in Wrangler. Now the campus is located in Wrangler of Telangana of around 104 hectare. It holds good education standards and developing in nature, in research and industry collaborations. So NIT of Wrangler has green, decent and cooperative atmosphere. So in order to get the admission in NIT, you must have JEE Mains in your hand, JEE Mains score in your hand. Even your SAT score is acceptable with the minimum score of your 1440 over here. So that was about NIT, and you can see the fees of NIT is 2,99,400. That is the National Institute of Technology at number 2. Moving back to our list, at number 3 we have University College of Engineering, Osmania University. So University College of Engineering, it is affiliated to Osmania University and is situated in Amberpent of Telangana. So companies like Google and Microsoft, Wipro, Siemens, TCS, Oracle, etc., quite famous names, pick their future employees from University College of Engineering itself. So apart from that, University College of Engineering is quite famous for its infrastructure and the other facilities as well. So that was the number 3, University College of Engineering from Osmania University. Moving back to our list, at number 4 we have Balaji Institute of Engineering and Technologies and Sciences. So Balaji Institute of Engineering and Sciences is situated in Lake Palli of Telangana, and in order to get admission in Balaji, you should have EA MCET rank. It's a state level exam conducted by Telangana state, that is TS, full name is TS EAM CET, that is the name of the exam. So you should have a valid rank in this exam, in this respective exam, in order to get admission into the Balaji Institute. And apart from that, Balaji has many collaborations with the Institute for Electronic Governments of Andhra Pradesh government itself. So that was about Balaji Institute of Engineering and Sciences, which is at number 4. Moving back to our list, we have number 5, MVSR Engineering Colleges. MVSR Engineering College of Hyderabad, it is situated in Rangareddy of Telangana, and MVSR is a great engineering colleges with good faculty, infrastructure, placement, etc. And library facilities great, and so as the computer labs. You'll fall in love with the lush green campus. The fee for the students are, like fee for the BTech people are 3,32,400, and in order to get the admission, again you should have ECET rank, that is quite mandatory in order to get admission in your MVSR. So that was 5. Now moving ahead, we have next is your, at number 6 we have VNR, Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technologies of Hyderabad. It is situated in your Nizampat of Telangana, It's one of the top colleges which gives you the environment to improve your knowledge and your skills. So that is the number 6. We have VNR Vignajyoti Institute of Engineering and Technologies. Moving back to our list, next we have Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Sciences. That is number 7. We have Kakatiya Institute, and it is affiliated to your Jawaharlal Nehru Technological Institute. The fee for the courses are 3,42,400, and in order to get admission in this institute, JEE Mains is mandatory, as well as TSEAM CET. That is the state level exam conducted by Telangana University, Telangana State as well. So either of both of the exam is mandatory. Like even if you miss JEE Mains, do not miss the state level exam, that is TSEAM CET exam. And like even if you have JEE Mains, you need not have to give the other one exam. Only one of the score is valid. You can give out your one of the score and take up your admission seat in Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Sciences. So apart from that, several workshop, conferences and seminars are provided by the institute, and not only those, many more opportunities are given to showcase your talent. So that was number 7. At number 8, we have Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University itself. So talking about the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, it is situated in Kukatpalli in Telangana and is one of the India's leading educational university focusing on your engineering. Apart from that, fee is quite cheap, like it is like 40,000 annually for the BTech course itself, and if you're taking any integrated one, then it can go for your 1,55,000. So it's kind of affordable by the students. And apart from that, many other scholarships for the meritorious students are being provided by the university also. Placement list of the colleges holds up Google, Yahoo, Wipro, TCS names in their list. So that was number 8, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. Moving back to our list, next we have ICFA Foundation of the Higher Education. That is at number 9. We have this institute, that is ICFA Foundation for Higher Education, and it is situated in Dontanapalli with excellent infrastructure and the lush green campus. Fee for the courses in this institute is 7,40,000, and apart from that, the valid score which is taken by is your ATTI or any state level exam score is like the scores are acceptable in this institute in order to get admission. So that was number 9, and at number 10, that is the last number, I have Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technologies. Moving to Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technologies, it is situated in Ghatkesar of Telangana in 33 acres approx, and this is affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. And these scores, that is the you should have a valid TSEAM CET score in order to get admission. And if you have messed up with your 12th percentage, do not get tensed up with that. You have an institute in the option list that it takes up your 45 percentage marks itself. That is for the general category, it is accepting even 45% marks in order to get only the minimum is required 45% marks for the general one, and for the reserve one you can go for the 40% itself. So that was the Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology of Hyderabad. So we had covered 10 colleges, 10 engineering colleges, top 10 engineering colleges of Telangana. For that is the list, entire list present on your screen. IIT Hyderabad, NIT Wrangler, University College of Engineering of Osmania, then is your Balaji Institute, followed by MVSR, then we have Vignajyoti Institute and Kakatiya Institute, then we have Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University itself, then ICFAI Foundation, then is your Srinidhi at last, summing up with that. So that was the top 10 engineering colleges in Telangana. So thank you for watching the video, guys. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. So till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.